Hi, my name is Yogesh Mishra and I welcome you all in this session. And we are completing the vocabulary series. And in this, let us try to learn some new words today. So the first word today is pry. What does pry means? Pry means to look closely. Basically, it means to look closely. किसी की निजी जीवन में झाका ताकी करना is called prying on someone. Okay, or to make nosy होता ना, अपनी नाक घुसाना कहीं पे भी. To make nosy inquiry is called prying. Okay, so what can be the other meaning of this word? It can be to extract, ठीक, in other senses. ठीक है, जैसे आप ओर में से आयरन निकाल रहे हैं तो ये बोला जा सकता है कि यू आर प्राइंग, या फिर आई कैन से डिटैच, और आई कैन से दैट टू मूव और पुल अपार्ट कैन ऑल्सो बी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड. सो अलग अलग सेंसेस में अलग अलग तरीके से यूज किया जाता है, बट बेसिकली in the more common sense, it is used to look into somebody's life closely, or to spy on someone, or to make nosy inquiry about someone, or to extract, then to detach or pull apart can also be the synonym of this word. Let us move on to the next word. So next word is punitive. What does punitive means? Punitive means punishing. Basically it means punishing, or something which is done to punish someone is called punitive action. So what can be the synonym of this word? Castigating. Castigating means किसी को क्या कर देना, दंड देना. जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि रेफरी ने इसको क्या कर दिया है, येलो कार्ड दे दिया है, तो दिस एक्शन इज कॉल्ड punitive action. Okay, we can also say that castigating can also be the synonym of this word. Penalizing someone is, or we can say penal, is also the synonym of this word. Or the most common word is disciplinary action. Disciplinary. So disciplinary, penal, castigating and castigating are the synonym of this word punitive, which means punishing action or to punish someone. Okay, let us move on to the next word. So next word is putrid. I already covered a word which was more synonymous to this word at the starting of this series, and that word was adult. If you haven't watched the first or second video of this series, please go through it. So word was the adult. So what does putrid means? Basically अगर आप इसे देखें तो आप समझ पा रहे होंगे कि इसका क्या मतलब है. ठीक, so putrid is a state of rotten. ठीक है, कोई चीज जो है वो सड़ी हुई हो. एडल्ट का मतलब भी यही होता है, एनीथिंग विच इज एडल्ट, मतलब सड़ा हुआ है या खराब हो गया है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोल देते हैं, प्यूट्रिड भी बोलते हैं. बट ये सिर्फ मटेरियल्स के लिए यूज नहीं होता, it can also be used for people or person. So any person who is morally corrupt, so we can use this word for morally corrupt person. Okay, we can also say that spoiled, इसका synonym हो सकता है. Decayed, तो obviously आपको पता ही होगा. And decomposed can also be the synonym of this word. कोई चीज जो है वो खराब हो जाए, so उसको हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, putrid बोल सकते हैं. तो putrid is a state of rotten, या फिर rotten state. Adult, morally corrupt, spoiled and decayed are the synonym of this word putrid. Let us move on to the next word. So next word is a quack. Quack, ये मूवी आपने देखी होगी, मुन्ना भाई MBBS. ठीक है, तो इसमें जो डॉक्टर होता है वो he was a quack doctor. So quack means मिथ्या. Quack means a dishonest, a dishonest person. ठीक. So next time you find any dishonest person, you can call him a quack. ठीक है. So सिर्फ पर्सन के लिए यूज होता है क्या? नहीं, ये चीजों के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है. ठीक. एनीथिंग विच इज नॉट ट्रू और जो थोड़ी सेंसिबल नहीं है, तो आप उसको बोल सकते हैं दैट दिस थिंग इज अ क्वैक. मेकिंग कैसल्स इन द ईयर कैन बी अ क्वैक थिंग. ठीक है. सो इसके कुछ ज्यादा सिनोनिम नहीं है. ठीक है. बट यू कैन से दैट चार्लेटन कैन बी द सिनोनिम ऑफ दिस वर्ड, या हॉर्न्स वॉगलिंग can be the synonym of this word. किसी को बेवकूफ बनाना. So obviously, if you are a hornswoggle, then you are a quack or you are a charlatan. So let us move on to the next word. So next word is quaffed. You must have seen this movie, है ना? तनु विट्स मनु रिटर्न्स, जिसमें ये पी के टल्ली हो जाती हैं और फिर खूब सारा डांस करती हैं. So quaff basically means to drink heartily, to drink heartily. और बेसिकली ये जो टर्म है वो यूज किया जाता है कब? when you are drinking alcohol. ठीक है. जब आप पी रहे हैं तो उसके लिए बोला जाता है that you are quaffing. But it can be used for other terms also. So it can also means gulp or gulping. It can also means guzzle, Guzzle, guzzle. It can also means imbibe. It can also means slurping, and swill can also be the synonym of this word. So quaff means gatakna, ठीक है, हिंदी में, and it means to drink heartily. Or basically this term is used in the sense of alcohol, but it can also means gulp, guzzle, imbibe, slurp, and swill. So these were the words from today's list. I hope you are enjoying this series. I will meet you in the next session. Till then, keep learning and keep watching English Wala. Thank you so much.